Good evening. The Indian equity markets coped quite well with the S&P's mass sovereign downgrades in Europe as inflation fell to a two-year low in December, giving elbow room to the RBI to adjust its monetary policy and support economic growth. It was a cautious start to the week for the Indian stocks as the benchmark indices ended almost unchanged. The equity benchmarks managed to recover smartly from session's low. Earlier, they had got stuck in a tight trading range due to weakness across the Asian markets. The indices ended near day's high due to select buying in index heavyweights like L&T, SBI, Maruti, BHEL, Tata Motors and Infosys. The Sensex was up by 34 points to close at 16,189 and the NSE Nifty was up by 8 points to close at 4,874. Among the 30 constituents of the Sensex, L&T, SBI, Maruti, BHEL, Tata Motors and Infosys were among the major leaders. On the other hand, Reliance Industries, NTPC, HDFC Bank and Hindustan Unilever ended in the negative terrain. Among the BSE sectoral indices, the BSE Capital Good Index was the top gainer, up by 2%, followed by the BSE IT Index up by 1.8% and BSE Tech Index up by 1.5%. The Auto and FMCG indexes rose 0.7% or more. The BSE Oil and Gas Index lost 1.7% and the BSE Pharma lost 0.6%. The small cap index rose 0.3% while the mid cap index remained unchanged. Meanwhile, the India VIX on the NSE was up by 2.5%. Market breadth was marginally in the positive zone. The inflation data for December was along expected lines, resulting in no major movements in the stock, but the yield on the benchmark 10-year government paper reversed course due to rise on day slightly as government revised October's inflation higher. Also, there may not be any immediate cuts in the interest rate from the RBI when it meets on January 24th. Upcoming corporate results, events in overseas market, the RBI policy and the F&O expiry will keep the market players on tenterhooks in the weeks to come. One would also have to contend with fresh political upheavals once election kick-off across 5 states. Uttar Pradesh is the crucial battleground. In March, investors would tend to focus on the union budget. Inflation as measured by the wholesale price index was at 7.47% in December as against 9.11% in November. The annual inflation rate was 9.45% during the corresponding month of the previous year. The government revised the inflation rate for October to 9.87% from a provisional estimate of 9.73% while the WPI stood at 157 as compared to 156.2 earlier. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.